Our curiosity began almost immediately after landing in Yangon, Myanmar. One of the first people we spoke to after going through immigration, of course, was our taxi driver. He was a friendly Burmese man, and although he spoke no English, he greeted us with a big toothy smile. Under normal circumstances, we wouldn't have thought twice about this, but upon revealing his teeth, we noticed something strange. His teeth, gums, and even his lips were stained a reddish clay, almost a brown color. Not wanting to be rude and thinking this might be due to some medical condition we're unfamiliar with, we decided to brush it off. Still, after a few days of exploring Yangon, we noticed a similarity among many of the Burmese people. A lot of people, when revealing their teeth, had the same colored and decayed teeth. We also noticed and had to be aware that when walking, there was tons of fresh spit marks, and once dried, they turned into this red clay color. We figured these two things must be related.
So after sitting down and doing some research, we discovered the culprit of this phenomenon. Many Burmese people enjoy chewing on a betel quid, which is a mixture of areca nut, tobacco, betel leaf, slacked lime, and spices. So naturally, I decided to try this potentially addictive and disgusting habit and began seeking out betel quid for myself. On our way to find the notorious betel nut. Hello. How much for one?
Mom.
One. Hi.
Hola. Có đây đó là mấy dạng.
Yes. Thank you. How much? 100. How much?
Present.
Yeah, present? Oh, thank you very much. How do you do it? How do you just throw it in your gum right here? Spit?
Liquid it first.
Okay. I've never done it before. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Put it in the spit. Okay, cool.
Just do it.
You just suck on it? Get it juicy? Got it. Cool.
Thank you.
Gotta get it juicy first. Well, that was nice.
How does it taste? I hear it tastes sour from Google.
Yeah, it tastes a little bit sour.
It's not red yet.
Gotta get a little juicy. Yeah. Yeah, it took about 2 seconds to find one. They're literally on every corner since it's so popular. And I guess you just suck on it
Until it's juicy.
until it gets juicy. He gave it to me for free, which was very nice of him.
I heard you can make them last up to 1 to 3 hours. So we'll see.
Let's see how long it takes for the effects to kick in. Like I said before, it's supposed to be similar to like a stimulant. So like
kind of like a cigarette, I think.
well, it does have a little bit of tobacco in it. So I think similar to like caffeine or like a nicotine buzz.
That's what I read online too. I wonder how long it takes for it to turn brown or red.
Yeah, it's a little bit like a tingly type of feeling. Like a sort of like numbing, I guess, is what I can compare it to. Call me the redneck of Asia. Yep, just like my chewing tobacco. A little bit more firm. Kind of cutting into my lip, my gums. It tastes like soap a little bit. I'm salivating a little bit more. Not really feeling the effects yet, but it is getting a little softer in my lip. think I'm gaining the respect of some of the locals around here when they see this. You speak English at all? How do you do this? Do you chew it?
No.
Just leave it here? Is it good?
Good.
Can I watch you make some? Can I record you make some?
Photo marega, yes.
Yeah. It's good.
Wait a minute. Thoda dinner. You.
Tobacco? Yeah. Do you chew it?
Yeah. Good.
That's very good.
Very good. Wait a minute.
Is that the betel nut? Betel nut? How much? What? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. On the other side? You want me to do two? All right. Is your mom? Mother?
Allah.
So another one?
Good.
Gift from God.
Oh,
No.
thank you very much.
Mama
Appreciate it.
Yes.
Thank you. So
Or
save it for later. Bag maybe? Bag?
Charlie Road.
I have one. I'm.
Not me.
Yeah. Oh. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
I seriously don't want to try
You don't,
it.
Emma, do you want to try it?
No,
Come
I
on.
do not.
Well, I got another free one
For later.
for later, I guess. I was trying to ask some of the women how to do it properly, see if I was doing it right, and they were so nice. They didn't speak any English, and they gave me another one for free. So I've been chewing it for about 20 minutes or so, and I don't feel too much of the effect. However, I could see how people use this to stay awake at night. I guess I feel more alert, if that makes sense. Sort of like a cup of coffee. Just how they described it pretty much, but nothing intense. I don't feel sick or anything or nauseous. And it doesn't taste that bad. Like, it's still just really hard, so I think you have to chew it more since it is a nut, which is, it's wrapped in a leaf, as you saw in the video. But I think you have to chew it, and that's kind of what gets the juice flowing. But keep you updated.
So I think also, just like because it's in your mouth and you're chewing, it speeds up your salivation and it's supposed to stimulate your appetite.
So overall, I'm not sure if betel nut is my sort of thing. I guess I'll try it one more time since I got a free one, because I don't really see how it's addictive, but clearly it is, since there's a stand on every single corner here in Yangon, and I'm sure all across Myanmar and Southeast Asia. But if you liked watching me walk around Yangon with a fat wad of betel nut in my mouth, feel free to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Alright, so there are serious side effects to betel nut, and this video is not an endorsement, so do not try this at home. I'm not sure if there's an age limit, but this is our warning to you, and this is your brain on betel nut.